Hello my beautiful glam queens, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my TikTok feed and here on YouTube, and you guys will have a chance to vote which product is your favorite. Also, keep on watching to find out how you can get featured in next week's video. Now, let's talk about the products. First product up is Kenra. Ooh, this is the Triple Repair Conditioner. Size of this is 1.7 ounces, and sadly, I believe it's only sold when you buy a 3-pack kit with the shampoo, conditioner, and the leave-in that I had shown previously. But what is sold is a 10.1 ounce, and that is $26. Next size up, you have 33.8 ounces, and that is $52. Now, if you go to the Kenra website and you try to purchase there, you can't. It will take you to other stores. So, you can actually buy it at Ulta, Target, Amazon, Pro stores, and independent beauty stores. Also, salons may carry it if they offer you Kenra. It doesn't have any expiration date. It is PETA approved, so animal test free. This conditioner gives a targeted yet increasing effect of strengthening. It helps reduce breakage with multiple uses. Of course, they highly recommend to use the whole kit. Everything that is triple and repair, use them all together, and that will help show results. Now, it should be apparently up to 89% less breakage. So the triple and repair system is supposed to be like the Olaplex system. You gotta use them all together and everything. It's a bonding treatment basically. So yes, should help. I'm going to read it directly. It says, reveal healthy looking hair, resilient to breakage and color fade in one use versus a non-conditioning shampoo. It helps hair look more radiant, and it should enhance moisture. It does have fragrance and perfume. Light, flowery, I would say. Yeah, it smells good. Almost candy-like too.
That's almost $2 worth of candy in the garbage.
Luxury flower perfume smell. Yeah. It also has sunflower seed oil and, of course, soybean oil. It is formulated with protective peptides and amino acids. Now, the amino acid in this is arginine, which is a bond-building amino acid. And the peptides, of course, should fortify and protect the hair strands from any future damage. Now, of course, when you use this, it's going to be after the shampoo. So you want to shampoo it first. Go ahead, pour. I'm only going to pour a little bit because I'm just showing you guys. Ooh. It's a thin conditioner. Feels more milky, I would say, than creamy. Yeah, that's how I would put it. There it is. So you want to go ahead and massage it. Of course, you don't have to do it at the root. You could just do mid to ends. Focus on the ends because that's where you got your breakage. And then rinse. And of course, you could use the split end mending serum after that. Really does smell good though. Okay, now let's move on to the next product. Now we have Virtue. Whoa. Recovery Conditioner. This is legit a travel size, can be purchased as a travel size. It is 2.0 ounces and can be purchased for $18. 18, not bad. Then the next size up is 6.7 ounces and that can be purchased for $44. Can be purchased at virtuelabs.com, Ulta Beauty /Target, Sephora /Kohl's, Amazon, and if you have this place called Planet Beauty, it's like a another supply beauty store, and of course other independent stores. Expiration date on this is 9 months. It is cruelty-free, color-safe, paraben and gluten-free, and of course vegan. This conditioner is a rich, luxurious conditioner. That of course repairs damage. It can reconstruct broken cuticles and brittle ends. Infuse the hair with softness, shine, and manageability. This conditioner behaves like a high-powered treatment. It deposits pure human keratin
Protein.
into the hair. Also, it should fill in the cracks in the cuticles.
Say crack again.
Crack.
To heal hair and repair damage from heat, chemicals, and of course, color treatments. It is formulated with Virtue's first of its kind. Alpha keratin 60 KU. Biotech born protein meets powerful plant-based nutrients. Alpha keratin 60 KU is a whole keratin protein. It is derived from hair and supposedly it is the first ever used in hair care, born from regenerative medicine. It is identical from keratin in our hair, skin, and nails. So it has the power to bind directly to damaged areas and repair like nothing else. It has hydrolyzed quinoa, a plant-based protein that is remarkable for hair. Really? It enhances color and retains moisture to give off more shine. It also has baobab seed oil. So that comes from the African tree of life, which is known for its ability to store water. This rich, silky oil can act like an intense emollient, moisturize in other words, for dry damaged hair. And it also has grapefruit extract. That is, of course, loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants. A refreshing fruit that revitalizes the scalp and returns the hair's vibrance and shine. Let's smell this baby now. Ooh. Ooh. Interesting. So interesting I had to take the cap off. I wanted to get a better sniff of it. So what I'm smelling is just lots of coconut. Yeah, it's very coconut smelling. Now what they say, it is a rich, nurturing blend of fresh woods and clean citrus formulated with coconut and yuzu extracts. Now they go into even more detail about the fragrance. So here we go. Virtue products utilize functional fragrances. Fragrances that contain essential oils, extracts, and aromatic ingredients that are dual purpose. Virtue has a team that works with 3 global fragrance houses and sees hundreds of samples until they land on the perfect fragrance for each platform. Well, thank you, Virtue, for letting us know about all that. The smell is okay. It's coconut. It's coconut. Now, we do have some results that were taken from a clinical study. This study was done on 42 women who used the shampoo and conditioner for 2 weeks, which equaled up to 10 uses in that 2 weeks. So they practically washed their hair every day. 97% said that their hair felt immediately softer and less damaged, and 91% said their hair felt more manageable. And that's it. That's the results after 2 weeks and 10 times washing the hair. Nice. All right, now how to use it? You're going to work, of course, after shampoo, you're going to work this into your palms, warm it up. Of course, I'm going to use a little bit. Oh, this is much thicker, creamier. I could barely squeeze it out. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. Hello, focus. There it is. I think you guys could see the difference. Ooh. Oh, I built it right back up together again. Look at that. Interesting. So you work it in between your palms like this, of course, and then work it into the hair, and it has to be wet. And of course, they mention mid to ends. Focus on those ends. And this time, leave it in your hair for 1 to 2 minutes and then rinse. And that's it. You're done. Let's get to our own results. Okay, here we go. So TikTok first, the usual, and then we're moving on to YouTube results. So TikTok results, here we go. And the winner is boom! Hey, it is Kenra 100%. Woohoo! Kenra, you are the winner. Yes. Oh yes. Virtue, you are not the winner. No. It's okay. It's okay. Maybe another day. But who knows? Maybe you'll win in the next results. Here we go. YouTube results. And YouTube results. Boom! YouTube! It's Kenra! Kenra still. What? Kenra wins again 100%. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, Virtue. But oh my gosh. Kenra, you are the winner. Congratulations. Woohoo! Wow, Kenra, I'm actually speechless. It took both of the wins on YouTube and TikTok. Whew. Clean sweep, 100% on both of them. Amazing. I can't believe it. Well, how do you guys feel about it? Are you guys extremely mad that Virtue lost completely? Have you guys used Virtue? Or do you guys just, stick to Kenra because we all know Kenra? And I do feel like that Kenra is being sold in more stores than Virtue. So it's probably easier to get your hands on Kenra more. I don't know. I don't know the reason why, which is why I would like to hear from you guys. Why did you vote for Kenra? Why did you not vote for Virtue? Let me know in the comments below, down here. How'd you feel about this results? And I will feature you in next week's video. Alright, that's it. I will see you guys next week. Keep on loving the makeup. Keep on rocking. And yeah, bye.